Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by mapping exactly what you need to save and why each set matters. Start the first actionable step now. Connect the external drive or sign into your cloud account, then open the backup tool. Verify available space. Make sure the target has at least 20% free to avoid incomplete copies. Configure the backup profile to include folders and system settings and exclude large temp or cache files. Once done, run an initial quick scan to confirm the tool sees every selected file. Now you perform the heavy lifting. Start a full, mirrored backup so permissions and folder structure stay intact. If using rsync, include and delete for exact copies. While it runs, set up an automated schedule to repeat the process at safe intervals. Overnight or low-usage windows reduce interruption. Enable encryption to protect sensitive files, and turn on checksum verification so the system detects corruption. If your internet is slow, consider seeding the first cloud backup from a local disk transfer instead of uploading immediately. Finish by validating what you saved. Perform a test restore of several random files and one complete folder to confirm integrity. Once confirmed, set a retention policy. Keep at least 2 copies with one offsite or cloud and rotate monthly to protect against hardware failure. Make sure automatic backups are enabled and notifications are active. If something goes wrong, review the backup logs first, check file permissions, and inspect disk smart data. These steps quickly reveal common failure causes and guide your next fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.